and welcome back to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making curried goat. Some say mutton, but this menu or these spices that we're going to be using, it can go for lamb, it can go for goat, sheep. Okay, now I'm going to put a teaspoon of baking soda. This is my tenderizer. Okay, some people call it mutton, some call it goat, some call it whatever, but this, at the end of the day, is going to be so delicious. So I just put a teaspoon of baking soda. Alrighty. We're going to turn this out into our dish. I did grease my dish. I sprayed my dish already. That way it will be cooked evenly. Now this is, I think this is about 6 pounds, guys, because I will be taking this to a dinner party. So this is my contribution. Now, if you're gonna do like 3 pounds, just make half the spices that I'm gonna be doing, okay? Alrighty. So now, my all-purpose seasoning, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons for this amount of meat, okay? And then I use 2 types of curry. And I use 2 tablespoons of each. One's for flavor and one's for color. This is something you can make any time of the year. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. You want this to be delicious, tasty and delicious, guys. Black pepper, it's up to you how much you want. Usually I just do a little over a teaspoon. Cayenne pepper. This is a little tricky, guys. It depends on how spicy you want yours to be. I only do about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Your spice level is all up to you. Okay. So now we're gonna really rub this all together. Get everything all seasoned up. Now you can let this sit for a couple of hours after seasoning this up. It doesn't need a long time at all, because when I'm going to be putting this in the oven to cook, and believe me, it will all gel well together. Okay? Now here we have, I know this is a big onion, but I'm going to be cutting it up in big chunks. And scatter it all over in there. Get it down in the sides. Get it in between. Guys, your kitchen is gonna be smelling so good. So good, so good. Because of all the spices, the seasoning that's on there. And if you think the kitchen smells good, wait till you taste it, guys. Wait till you taste it. It's so delicious. And then we're gonna put a few green onions. This is 4 green onions. We're gonna cut them chunk sizes also. Make them really big. There we go. And like I said, you can put this on lamb, this seasoning on lamb. You can put it on sheep. You can put it on just about any of these that you want to put it on. 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna make them in chunk sizes also. We're just gonna cut them in like 4 or 5 pieces. Okay, now spread them all over, all over, all over. Come on, guys, you're gonna be all over in here. That way. Everything will be even in here. That's it. That's it, guys. We're gonna put this in the oven covered for 3.5 hours. Now, at 2.5 hours, you can check it and see if it's cooked. Sometimes it's cooked, depending on where you get your meat from. Sometimes it's not. Usually it takes about 3 hours, 180 degrees. And this is 1 cup of water. That's it. 1 cup of water. That's all you need in here. And there you go. Your kitchen is gonna smell lovely. This is all gonna be tasty. Let it sit, like I said, for about 2 hours. Bake for 3.5 hours. Check it at 2.5 hours. See what it's like. If it really needs the 3.5 hours, sometimes it only takes 3 hours. It depending on your oven, depending on the meat. So, see you guys when it's all done. Thanks for watching. Judy's Cooking. Have a good day, guys. And thank you guys for always watching. A big thank you to my subscribers and friends out there. Have a good day now.